Hello everyone, welcome back to Siemens PLC Programming Hub. This is the Siemens STEP7 training series. Today we'll go deeper inside STEP7 software and also do a complete practical session so you can understand how configure hardware, write logic, compile, download the program into the PLC. So let's begin. Okay, turn on motor if press start push button and turn off motor if press stop push button. So this is start push button, we can address I 0.0. This is stop push button, we can address I 0.1, and this is motor, we can address Q 0.0. Okay, now we go microwin software, symbol table, start button I 0.0, stop button I 0.1, and motor run Q 0.0, and go to program block. First we take a normally open switch, can addressing I 0.0, and another one is stop switch. This is normally close, I 0.1, and another is motor run coil, we can address Q 0.0. Okay, now our program is done, but we know start push button if we press, then motor run, but when we release the motor will stop. So we need to lacing system. For lacing system we need add a normally open for Q 0.0. Here is mistake, normally open not normally close, Q 0.0, and connect before stop push button. So now let's see what will be happen when we go online. Here now I 0.1 is true because this is normally close, and I 0.0 false. When we press I 0.0, then it will be true. So now go to PLC and compile. You see there is no error. So now, so before download program we go to file and save, go to your file save location, and you can create a new folder. I am creating a new folder, name is Episode-1. File name is basic ladder logic program, and save. So now file is saved. Now we go to the download option, go to download. Okay, the program is downloading in PLC. So download completed. Okay, go to program status. You look now, program is online. Here I0.0 is false and I0.1 is true. You see, when we press I0.0, then it will be true and motor Q0.0 will be power on. So now let's see what is going on practically in PLC. Look, when we press I0.0, the motor is on, Q0.0 is on, and when we press I0.1, then motor is stopped. Again I0.0, the motor is on, and when stop button, motor is stopped. You see I0.1. So I hope you understand easily this simple ladder logic. So this video we learned interface PLC configuration, writing ladder, compiling, downloading and real-time monitoring. Next episode we will continue with basic motor controlling ladder, also timer practical exercise. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe this channel. And if I made any mistake in this video, please forgive me. So see you in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz.